by the time y'all see this, it'll probably be not probably, it will be afternoon-ish time, early evening time. On my way to the airport again this morning. I gotta go to Denver for work. I got a new project, so I'm happy about that. I am not on the bench no more, which is a very good thing. So it's pretty nice to wake up to this morning, knowing that I actually have something to do and I don't have to worry at least until January-ish time frame, early February, before I need to be looking for another project. So I'm excited about that. That was some good news I got this week. But how y'all doing? Hope everybody's having a good day so far. I actually broke my streak yesterday. I didn't get to post anything on YouTube, and you know, I'm okay with that because I feel like you know, when you need to take a little bit of a break, you should do that. And it wasn't so much that I needed a break, it was more along the lines of I don't like to post content when I'm not really in the mood to be posting. And by that I mean, if I don't feel like I have a good enough idea, if I haven't sat down long enough to actually figure out what it is that I want to post, I don't want to force it either, right? I don't want to just put something up here that y'all might not be interested in, things like that. So took a little break yesterday, enjoyed some time with the wife, did some errands. I had to pack clothes and all that kind of stuff. And actually I did record a video with my daughter. We have a channel, so we did some recording last night. She didn't get off late until, she didn't get off last night until late. It was, wow, I think it was after 10 o'clock when she got home. And then we're watching this show on Netflix called Arcane. It's pretty popular. It's an anime series, so we were watching that, and then we were doing a review or recap and review of the show. Wow, it's hot in here. So filmed that last night. I was up till like 1:30 in the morning or something like that, 2 o'clock in the morning. So pretty tired this morning. Right now it's like 9 o'clock. So I had to get up and out the door this morning because my flight actually leaves at 12. And y'all know, got to get to the airport early. Not super early though today, like I did the last time. Today I'm only gonna get there about, it says 27 minutes. So it's like 9:30, and then by the time I get the shuttle and all of that, it's definitely gonna be closer to that 10 o'clock time frame. And then I'm going to the lounge to get me something to eat, drink some more coffee, that kind of stuff before I get on the plane, because I don't buy nothing on the plane. I don't know about y'all, but I done spent enough for the seat. The least they could do is feed me and, you know, give me something to drink, which I buy my own water anyway, but that's the least they can do, right? You pay enough. I feel like don't nickel and dime me. Those costs should already be in there. So I don't see why they don't serve, like this flight is like 3.5 hours or something like that. So I don't see why they don't serve like a light meal. Hell, it could be cheese and crackers for all I care, but it should be something more than just like them little 2 cookies they give you, or a tiny bag of pretzels with like 5 pretzels in it. Like they can do better than that for as much as these tickets cost. And you know, like I said, don't nickel and dime me anyway. Just charge me the extra $5 or $10 in the price of the ticket and let me get something to eat if I want that. You know, same thing with the seats, right? If I'm buying a ticket, of course I need a seat. Like, what do you mean you want me to pay extra to get a seat? Who doing that? Like, who came up with that? That's the craziest thing to me. Just another way to nickel and dime you, get some money out of you, you know, and put more money in their pocket at the end of the day. But I did yesterday get me a new camera for vlogging. I won't be using that in the car though. I'm in my car right now, as y'all can see, so I won't be using that in the car. It's called the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. It's pretty nice. It's a 4K mini camera, and I got it because you know, I noticed the audio on my Pixel when I'm walking, driving. If I move the phone, you know, the audio pops. It seems like there's something going on with the mic that's in this phone. You know, I don't know if that's just my phone or if it's something with all Pixel devices, but I do notice it, especially when I'm using the front-facing camera. So if you have a Pixel, this is the Pixel 9 XL. If you have one of those phones, it's just something to think about if you're using it for vlogging, or if you're thinking about getting that phone. You know, just do some research on it, check out on YouTube and see if you can find any review videos that discusses the audio and you know, what that's sounding like, so you can make a, you know, a good decision on whether or not it's a phone for you. But like I said, every time I edit my videos, I can certainly hear it, so I know y'all hearing it. So just keep that in mind. You can have the worst camera, but the audio, the quality of your audio has to be good, because you got to think, most people, they're probably not watching you consistently, and by that I mean, they're, you know, most people are doing other things. We all multitask. You know, I got if you have YouTube Premium, you can press turn the screen off, but you still get the audio in the background. So audio is key when it comes to making videos and putting them up here on YouTube. You want to have some quality audio for your videos. That has been key, one of the key things for me. I know when I started off on YouTube 10 years ago, I had horrible audio. I used to use an external mic and record all my audio, and then, you know, like a voiceover, and then add it to the video later. And that was probably, you know, when I go back and watch those videos, even still, that is one of the worst things for me, because it's hard to it's just one more thing in the process, number one. But number two, it's hard to be authentic if all you're doing is a voiceover. And don't get me wrong, for those that do voiceovers, because I still do voiceovers. I'm saying for me though, it was extremely difficult for me to do a voiceover, one, and be fluent in speaking, meaning, you know, not having to retake or record 5 or 6 times, 7 times the same thing, and you know, each time you do it, it's going to be different. But also just coming across as myself, right? That was something that, you know, the subscribers would tell me, you know, hey, you know, I see it in the comments all the time, like, why is he talking like that? It was hard for me. You know, even my wife would tell me, hey, you don't even sound like yourself, like, you know, what's going on with that? And it was something that, as much as I tried to fix it, I just couldn't do it. You know, I felt like I had like I was trying to do my radio voice or something, and it just was never really working, nor was it sounding like a radio voice. And then it wasn't, you know, my true authentic self, because in real life, that wasn't the way that I talk. And then also when I was trying to edit and drop in the audio, it wasn't, you know, the way that I was putting the audio in, you know, I just wasn't doing it right. It didn't sound good overall. I mean, the videos worked. A lot of them got a lot of views, in the hundreds of thousands and stuff like that. But, you know, I never felt right about it. So anyway, I won't keep going on and on. I think I done drained that already. So yeah, so I'm driving to the airport. I got this new camera that I'm gonna be using for vlogging. And y'all gonna see that on this trip, because I'm actually, as soon as I get to the airport, gonna start using it, you know, so I can practice, and then that way when I'm out and about, I can have that. But what I really like about this particular camera is it's so small. And if, you know, I already started, I filmed an unboxing for it. I'll drop a little bit of it in this video just so y'all can take a look at it and you can see what that looks like. And, you know, again, by no means am I saying go out and like get new equipment or get new stuff for YouTube. I'm just saying this is something that I'm going to use because I want to vlog more and I get nervous in public. I don't want people staring at me. So I'm trying to get over that fear and conquer that. And this is one of the ways that I'm going to do it, because this thing is kind of like stealthy. And I like that about it. I did some research. I've been researching it for about 3 months. And I finally pulled the trigger on it. I got it on Amazon, so it was kind of pricey though. That's the one thing I'm not so excited about, but this is something that I'm gonna use this thing like crazy. So every time I go anywhere, this thing is coming with me because it's small. It's very, very portable. What I did learn though is it's not waterproof, so you got to be careful about that. You know, getting it. You can't have it really out in the rain and stuff like that. But hey, my cell phone is waterproof, so I can just use that if it's raining or something. But you know, so I'm gonna love this thing. It's 4K video, which I've never uploaded a 4K video, so I'm gonna start doing that for the first time. So that'll be real nice. Actually, oh yeah, you guys won't see any of the vlog footage in this video because this video is going to be 1080p, and I don't want to mix and match because when I upload that one, I want to go full 4K because I haven't done that before. So again, that'll be pretty nice for me to see one of those videos on my channel. You know, show some growth, right? Yeah. All right, so we made it. You see what the bathroom look like. What's up, y'all? Got a lot of grease popping out today. So this is the bathroom. This is a basic. It's a basic bathroom. So I'm gonna sit here and chill for a little bit. They got a restaurant downstairs, so plus I gotta charge this up and get my video out that I didn't get to post. So my long form video, get that out, and then go downstairs and get some dinner in a bit. So